Science has always been about knowing the world, understanding how it works. But now, in the time of planetary breakdown, understanding alone is not enough. So the question now is more about how do we restore what is broken? So to make science truly matter, we need to make education restorative or regenerative. So what does that mean? That means we need to move beyond teaching isolated facts to nurturing relationships. In classroom, this means how does this concept help life thrive? So a student of chemistry doesn't just test pH of water, but study how the local water impacts the local communities. It's where health science explores health system as an ecosystem where healing extends to soil, air, and water. And science is taught through such a regenerative lens transforms a discipline to a living dialogue. Maybe it's time we pause, rethink, and replace the lens through which we teach and learn science. So I had this wonderful opportunity to do this workshop,
Making Science Truly Matter, a regenerative step beyond sustainability,
with the students and faculties of Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata, across the science disciplines. My heartfelt thanks to Professor Dr. Amit Sarkar, the Dean and the Director of IQAC, and his brilliant team, Dr. Anindita, Dr. Mohua, Dr. Shudipto, Dr. Shayoni, Dr. Surjit, for their warmth and support. And I'm specially humbled by the encouraging and inspiring words of Professor Dr. Dhrubojyoti Chattopadhyay, the Pro-Chancellor of the university, a visionary academic thought leader whose encouragement affirmed that there is a need for creating a regenerative learning space in higher education. And last but not the least, the students of the university truly inspired me. Their enthusiasm and curiosity were incredible. So what stayed with me was when they were offered a tea break during the session, they said, no, let's continue. I think as a facilitator, this is going to remain with me forever. So stay tuned for the next posts on the voices, reflections, and insights that emerged from this workshop.